Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and the recovery key before you touch encryption. Once you have the key stored, open Control Panel and navigate to System and Security, then Bitlocker Drive Encryption. Make sure the drive you intend to change is listed. Now begin the process by selecting the drive and choosing Turn off Bitlocker. This initiates the first step to decrypt. You're doing this to remove encryption for compatibility or performance, so proceed when plugged into power and with a recent backup. Once you choose Turn off Bitlocker, Windows will queue decryption and begin converting the drive back to an unencrypted state. You can monitor progress from the Bitlocker interface or open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE Status C to see a % complete. Make sure to keep the laptop plugged in and avoid interruptions because stopping mid-process can delay completion. If you prefer commands, run Manage BDE off C to explicitly start the process. This is the same action the GUI triggers. After decryption completes, verify the drive reports Bitlocker off in Control Panel or with Manage BDE status. Restart your PC to ensure the system boots cleanly and that performance is as expected. If you previously stored the key online and no longer need it, sign into your Microsoft account to remove that saved recovery key. If the process stalls, pause and resume decryption or run chkdsk on the affected drive. These steps often clear file system errors that block progress, and you should keep the device powered while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.